Hi everyone! I wanted to take just a quick minute and show you some of the features in ALEKS and make sure that we all know how to get into ALEKS and get our ALEKS assignments out of the way. In your home screen, or on your home screen on the left side, you'll see the ALEKS Math link. You'll go ahead and you'll click on that. And once you've clicked on this link right here, ALEKS Math, you'll be taken to your knowledge path. Once your knowledge path is completed, you will start your path, okay? And you will be given a path to start, and here's my path right here. You can click on that to get started. That will get you started on your practice problems right away. All right, so one of the areas that you're going to work on are on these problems for your path, okay? Another area that you're going to work on are quizzes. When you click on, I'm going to get out of here one more time. There's the three horizontal lines up here. Sometimes they are called the hamburger. You click on the drop-down menu, and it's going to take you to this list of options. This option right here is assignments. Okay. When you click on assignments, it's going to give you your list of quizzes for the week, for the course, okay? And when you click on your quiz, this is for week 2, it's going to give you the list of problems at the top. You put your answer in the blank, and then, hold on one second, I needed to move my window here so you could see the bottom. When you're finished with your quiz, okay, you finished your problems, you'll scroll to, so you've got your problems here, you'll scroll to the bottom and you'll see two options, Save for Later or Submit Assignment. If you're not quite done, click Save for Later. If you are finished, click Submit Assignment, and the grade will then populate. Okay, so again, use this drop-down menu in the top left of your screen, go to Assignments. This will open up the list of assignments here that you're working on. There's lots of practice assignments, but the ones that some of the students have been missing are the quizzes. So make sure you're completing your quizzes here on the left-hand side. One other thing I was going to show you as well, hold on one second. When you go to start your path, on the right-hand side, there are a bunch of options for you. Make sure you're scrolling over here and looking at these. Sometimes you'll have a calculator option. There are video options. There's an ebook, so you can look this up in the textbook and you kind of get more explanations. There's dictionary terms, so you can Google dictionary terms if you're not sure what a word means. What does digits mean, or what does integer mean? There's a message center, and there's the print option. I have had some students print off multiple explanations, multiple problems, and put them in a binder so that they have them for later. Okay? Okay, so there are tools on the far right panel of your ALEKS. One last thing, when you are going into this drop-down menu up here on the top left, okay, there's the Learn, which is basically where you are. There's Review. The assignments are where your grades are coming from. Worksheet Calendar, Gradebook. If you click on Gradebook, that will let you know what assignments you don't have grades for. So this is showing I don't have a score for quiz 1, I don't have a score for quiz 2, and I don't have a score for quiz 3. Okay, so if you're not sure what you have grades for, you can click on the home screen, click on the hamburger, the three horizontal lines, scroll down to Gradebook, and that will let you know exactly what you're missing. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to work with you.